Good afternoon. This video is from Success Convent, Melacheval, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 5, subject Social Studies. Lesson number 1, page number 70. Name of the lesson is Maps and Globe. Book back exercise of page number 70. Multiple choice question. They are given to tick the right answer. Number 1, question number 1, the dash ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. The dash ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. A. Arctic Ocean, B. Antarctic, C. Pacific and D. Indian. So, Pacific is the right answer. Pacific, you have to write it here, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. T-H-E, the Pacific, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific Ocean, O-C-A-N, Ocean, is I-S-S, the, T-H-E, the, largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest, and A-N-D, and the, T-H-E, the, deepest, D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. A. Arctic, A-R-T-I-C, Arctic. B. Antarctic, A-N-T-A-R-T-I-C, Antarctic. C. Pacific, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific. D. Indian, I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. So, Pacific is the right answer. Number 2. A dash is a model of the earth. A dash is a model of the earth. A. Map, B. Globe, C. Scale, D. All of this. So, globe is a model of the earth. A. Globe is a model of the earth. A. Globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe, is I-S-S, A. Model, M-O-D-E-L, model of the, T-H-E, the, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. A. Map, M-A-P, map. B. Globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. C. Scale, S-C-A-L-E, scale. D. All of these, A-L-L, all of, O-F, of these, T-H-E-S-E, these. So, globe is the right answer. Number 3. Big land masses are called dash. Big land masses are called dash. A. Oceans, B. Seas, C. Continents, D. None of this. So, continent is a land masses called, big land masses are called continents. So, the dash you write continents. B-I-G, big, land, L-A-N-G, land, masses, M-A-S-S-E-S, masses, R-A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, continents, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents. A. Oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. B. Seas, S-E-A-S, seas. C. Continents, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents. D. None of these, N-O-N-E, none of, O-F, of these, T-H-E-S-E, these. So, continents is the right answer. Number 4. Dash is the smallest continent. Dash is the smallest continent. A. Asia, B. Australia, C. North America. So, Australia is the smallest continent. You have to write the answer here. Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia, is I-S, is the, T-H-E, the, smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest continent, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T, continent. A. Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia. B. Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. C. North America, N-O-R-T-H, North America, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, North America. So, Australia is a right answer. Number 5. Which of the following is a subdirection? Which of the following is a subdirection? A. Northeast, B. Southwest, C. Southeast, D. All of this. So, which is the following subdirection? So, northeast is the subdirection. Northeast is the answer. Which, W-H-I-C-H, which of, O-F, of, the, T-H-E, the, following, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following, is I-S-S, A. Sub, S-U-B, sub hyphen direction. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction question mark. A, northeast, N-O-R-T-H, north, hyphen, east, E-A-S-T, east, northeast. B, southwest, S-O-U-T-H, south, west, W-E-S-T, west, southwest. C, southeast, S-O-U-T-H, south, east, E-A-S-T, east. D, all of this, A-L-L, all of, O-F of, these, T-H-E-S-E, these. So, northeast is the right answer. Number 6. A physical maps shows dash. A physical maps shows dash. So, A, islands, B, water bodies, C, plains, D, all of this. So, plains, what is the answer? Plains is the right answer. Number C is the right answer. A physical map shows plains. A physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical, map, M-A-P, map, shows, S-H-O-W-S, shows, plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. A, islands, H-I-G-H-L-A-N-D-S, islands. B, water bodies, W-A-T-E-R-B-O-D-I-E-S, water bodies. C, plains, P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. D, all of this, A-L-L, all of, O-F of, these, T-H-E-S-E, these. So, plains is the right answer. So, these answers you have to write it on your term book neatly, and in your homework book one time. Write neatly one time and reading 2 times. Thank you.